Hey boys and girls, this is Mrs. Hernandez here, and I am going to help us review some phonics before we get started with our book that we're going to read this week. So let's go ahead and move on. Okay, I want you to say it first before I help you say it. You ready? I, Magic E, says, what does it say? I. Say it again. I, Magic E, says I. Okay, just like in the word pile, like a pile of donuts. Yummy. O, Magic E says O. O, Magic E says O, like in this word. What's this word? Rope. Rope. A, Magic E says A. A, Magic E says A, like in this word. Sound it out. Ache, bake, just like we're baking some muffins here. U, Magic E says two sounds. What two sounds can it say? U or oo. U or oo. You can say U like in cube, or ooh as in rude, like this girl is being kind of rude. E, Magic E says E, like in eat Pete. Pete the cat. All right, so let's do some vowel teams. E says E. Remember, like the spider? We're going to use it in a new word today that's going to be in our book. These long grasses here are called reeds. Reeds. Reeds are tall grasses that grow in wet areas. We're going to learn about an animal that lives in places like that. EA says E. Also says E. It can say other sounds too, but we're going to just focus on that sound. Like this word, eaves, leaves. These are pictures of different types of leaves that you can have. AI says A. Remember, two vowels go a-walking. A lot of times the first one does the talking, and it usually says its name. So these are the two vowels. This is the first one. The name of the vowel is A, so this is going to say A, like in this word. Ale, tail. This is the tail of an alligator. We're going to learn about alligators today. And our last one, this one you may have heard before or not. If not, I'm going to teach it to you. AW says, aw, just like see how cute this puppy is. When you see him, you say, aw. AW says, aw, together. So you're not going to sound out the A and the W separately. You're going to say one sound, just one. Aw, aw. So let's try that sound in this word. This is the claws, claws of the alligator. You can see them right there. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and click on our book and find out more about our special creature of the week.